Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today, we're diving into the epitome of Italian engineering and artistry, the 2025 Pagani Huayra Tricolore. This is not just any car, it's a masterpiece on wheels, paying tribute to Italy's national aerobatic team, the Tricolore. Only 3 units of this beauty exist, making it one of the most exclusive hypercars in the world. Let's get right into it and explore what makes this car stand out in every possible way. Starting off with the exterior, the 2025 Huayra Tricolore is instantly recognizable by its flowing, aerodynamic shape. Pagani has used cutting-edge materials, incorporating carbon fiber and titanium into the body to ensure it's as light as it is strong. The striking blue carbon fiber finish is unique to the Tricolore edition, and it gleams under the light with such depth. The car is adorned with accents that reflect the colors of the Italian flag, from the red, white, and green striping that runs along the body, to the intricate details found on the mirrors and rear wing. Speaking of the rear wing, it's perfectly sculpted to increase downforce, ensuring the car sticks to the road even at high speeds. The design is not just about aesthetics though. Every curve and bend has a functional purpose to manage airflow, ensuring maximum efficiency and stability. One thing you'll notice immediately are the unique air intakes inspired by the jet aircraft flown by the Tricolore, a nod to the car's aviation-inspired heritage. The headlights, with their distinct LED arrangement, add a futuristic yet aggressive look, while the enormous wheels and bespoke Pirelli tires promise grip and control. The exhaust system is a piece of art in itself, with a quad-exit setup that produces an unmistakable roar when the engine comes to life. Moving to the interior, Pagani spares no expense in crafting a cabin that is as luxurious as it is sporty. The cockpit of the Huayra Tricolore feels like stepping into a fighter jet, with switches and dials that mimic those found in aircraft. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather, with contrast stitching in the colors of the Italian flag. The carbon fiber and aluminum details throughout the cabin give it a high-tech, lightweight feel, while the analog dials offer a touch of classic craftsmanship. There's a central display for all your essential driving information, but the real charm lies in the physical, machine controls that bring an old-school, tactile feel to this hypercar. Pagani has not forgotten about comfort either. Despite being a track-oriented machine, the Huayra Tricolore comes with all the modern conveniences you'd expect, from climate control to a premium sound system. But let's be honest, with an engine like this, you won't be needing music. Speaking of performance, this is where the Huayra Tricolore truly shines. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, custom-built by Mercedes-AMG. It pumps out a staggering 840 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. That means this hypercar rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, with a top speed that exceeds 230 miles per hour. The active aerodynamics system plays a crucial role in managing airflow at high speeds, adjusting flaps and spoilers in real time to keep the car balanced and stable. The Tricolore also comes with a sophisticated suspension system that's designed to handle both the racetrack and the road with ease, offering a surprisingly smooth ride when you're not pushing it to its limits. The driving experience is pure exhilaration. Every input is sharp and immediate, from the throttle response to the lightning-quick shifts of the 7-speed automated manual transmission. The steering is precise, giving you a true sense of connection with the road. And then there's the sound, that unmistakable V12 growl that rises to a scream as you climb through the revs. It's addictive, and you'll find yourself seeking out tunnels just to hear the exhaust note bounce back at you. Now let's talk price. As you'd expect from a car as exclusive as this, the Pagani Huayra Tricolore comes with a price tag to match. Each of the 3 units costs around $6.5 million, making it one of the most expensive hypercars in the world. But for those lucky enough to own one, it's not just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive art, a celebration of Italian engineering, and a tribute to one of the most iconic aerobatic teams in history. In conclusion, the 2025 Pagani Huayra Tricolore is a hypercar that blends art, engineering, and performance into one jaw-dropping package. From its stunning exterior to its aviation-inspired interior, and of course, the raw power that lies beneath the hood, this car is the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on Classic Motors.